So in the flurry of ordering AirTags last week, I also picked up one of these. It's Apple's leather wallet that magnetically connects to your iPhone 12. These are my first impressions. So first off, why'd I get a wallet? Well, I needed a new one. I've got this one right here. It's a Herschel wallet that I actually like quite a bit. I like the make and material of it. It feels really nice, but I've had it for years and it's getting kind of ratty. And it's also just always been a little too big. Compared to the Apple one, it's definitely much smaller. Or the Apple one is much smaller, I should say. And yeah, I just wanted a change, and so yeah, I had a change and saw this, made an impulse purchase, and was like, let's just do it. And so that's why I picked it up. I definitely need a new wallet, and I liked the size of this one. I like the fact that it connects via MagSafe to the back of my phone. I've never had my wallet on my phone before, but I wanted to give it a try. I know a lot of people like it. And so first impressions are okay. I like the size of it. It's definitely small. It definitely feels high quality, and I do like how I can magnet it to the back of the phone. As you can see, my first real problem with it is it isn't quite as solid as other MagSafe accessories. I don't know exactly why, but for whatever reason, it just doesn't stick quite as perfectly. You kind of have to really finesse it into place more than I feel like I have to with other MagSafe accessories. Also, if I have a case on my phone, so this is Apple's leather case. This is what I use on my phone most of the time. It matches the blue. And if I pop this on there, like, it sticks, but it's not centered. Like, it's not aligned, and so I can kind of like finesse it and kind of like figure out, no, like there we go. So now it's on there. But like, it's not as simple as I thought it would be. Like, I can just kind of toss my phone and it lands on a MagSafe charging puck and everything lines up perfectly. This one, I really have to like really make sure that I get it right every time. It's just a little more thought put into it than I thought I would need to do. On the plus side, I know there were concerns people had with like, what if I like put this in my pocket and like I knock it off? It's really not been an issue for me. I've had this for a couple days. I've been putting my phone in and out of my pocket all the time, and it hasn't been a problem. Let me actually grab that. There we go. And it doesn't come off. It's fine. I think that fear was overblown. I think it connects strong enough to not be an issue, especially on the leather case. It really grips pretty hard. But yeah, I haven't had an issue with it actually coming off unintentionally. The biggest problem I actually have with it is that when it's on the back of your iPhone, you can't really access the cards in it. Like, there's no way to get at them. And so when you're using it in the store or whatever, you have to pull it off the back of your phone, put your phone away, and then you still can't really pull them out the top. Like I'm actually trying to get them out and I can't really get them out the top. So you have to turn it around. There's this little hole here, and then you can pull up, and then that pulls out the card, right? And so you can pull out the card, but that's only the bottom card. Then you have to, like, if you need like a card in the middle, you need to like pull it out, do another one. Sometimes you can pull them all out at the same time. That's my medical card. Hopefully there's no sensitive info on there. But yeah, it's just not convenient really to use, because I was hoping to just have my phone in my hand and I'd Apple Pay, and if I need like a driver's license or something, I could just pull it out of the wallet on the back of my phone that I was already holding. But that's not the case. I actually have to take it out. I need to pull it out, and I'll get better at this over time. But like, I've never had a learning curve with a wallet as to how to access the cards easily, and so yeah, it's kind of just it's a usability annoyance that's definitely annoyed me the first couple days. I still like the size of it. I still like how it matches the case, especially when I'm using the blue case, the blue phone, and the blue wallet. It really is kind of like a cohesive whole. But yeah, it's a little less usable than I was hoping it would be. Maybe this will change over time. Maybe I'll get used to it. But like, the dream I had was, here, I need to get my ID for something. Let me just pull that out of the wallet. Here's my ID. Okay, let me pay Apple Pay or whatever. This is not quite what you get with this wallet. It's still something that you need to detach to actually use, which is more annoying than I thought. But it is small. The construction is definitely good. It's just, I'd love to see a version 2 of this maybe later this year with the iPhone 13s. That is slightly different. Maybe there's some like elastic on the sides here, so you can kind of pull it out a little bit and you can access individual cards more easily. I don't know. I've got 3 cards in here for what it's worth, which seem to fit pretty nicely. Maybe if I had 1 card in here, it would be easier, but yeah, that's not much to have in your wallet. But yeah, that is it for today. These are just some first impressions of the wallet. If you use it, if you like it or don't like it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it, and I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.